Wrong icons displayed in Windows 10. I don't know what caused this, but in Windows 10, this wrong icon is spreading like a virus everywhere. Some examples. This icon somehow displays on some desktop icons, taskbar icons and in Start menu, for no reason. I tried several ways to clear the icon cache, but none of them worked. This is Windows 10. But this bug has been present in all Windows versions I can remember. How do I get rid of this mysterious bug?
I have the same problem as well. Rebuilding icon cache does not work either. It seems that Acrobat DC link is messed up. Here is how I fixed it. From Start menu, right-click on Adobe Acrobat DC, click More, click Open File Location. In my case, the icon location is at C:\program data /Microsoft /Windows /Start menu /Programs. Let's call this one Start menu folder. Select the icon, and press Delete. Fix Approach 1. If you already have an Adobe Acrobat DC link on your desktop with correct icon, you can simply copy this icon over to the Start menu folder. Fix Approach 2. Proceed to open a new Windows Explorer window and browse to C:\program files, x86 /Adobe /Acrobat 2015 /Acrobat. Create a shortcut for Acrobat.x to the desktop, and then follow the step in Fix Approach 1.
I believe the underlying reason is the Adobe MC installer breaks Microsoft's rules for creating a Windows installer package. Under the documentation, we read, icon files that are associated with shortcuts must be in the exe binary format and must be named such that their extension matches the extension of the target. For example, if a shortcut is to point to a resource having the key file red.bar, then the icon file must also have the extension bar. This URL v equals versus.85 asks. In the MC installer for Adobe Reader DC 2015-2017 we see the icon table entries, all of which have the extension .eco by default. If you edit them C with Orca and do a find/replace to change .eco to .exe on every relevant table, and then reinstall them C, the problem does not reoccur. It would be helpful for Adobe to fix this in them C directly for everyone in another release.
After the hints from Minkus, which he is correct from application point of view, I dig further and found out the root cause of the wrong icon is .ico file associated with other applications which were unable to handle the icon if the content of the .ico file is actually a .x file, such as Windows 10 Photos app. In other words, when you double-click on the .ico file, the application which was launched was unable to handle the icon, due to what Minkus mentioned. Instead of uninstalling the application which was associated with the .ico file, which should work as well, just do the following. Find yourself an .ico file, or just create one yourself by renaming a file to one with extension .ico, right-click on it, then choose Open with greater than, choose another app, choose Paint, optionally check Always use this app to open .ico files, then click OK. If you choose Always use this app to open .ico files, the icon should back to normal immediately. If you didn't, then you will need to reboot your PC. This should fix most wrong icons on taskbar, desktop, shortcut, except those in Start menu search result, which I still have no idea how that can be fixed.
Try right-clicking on the taskbar and running Task Manager. In the Processes, under the Windows Processes section, you should find Windows Explorer nearly at the bottom of the list. Click on it and then click the Restart button. This fixed the incorrect icon in the taskbar for me.
Three of the mini programs I have pinned to the taskbar were showing an incorrect image on their taskbar icon. It was the same, plain image, in all three cases. This is what worked for me. Start the program, if it isn't already running. Right-click the program's icon in the taskbar, and click Unpin from taskbar. After a few moments, the correct image replaces the incorrect image on the icon. Right-click the program's icon in the taskbar, and click Pin to taskbar. Repeat this process for each program, as necessary.